Do you feel like you have too many apps on your phone? Or maybe you open too many online accounts that you've lost track of? Perhaps you reuse the same password for everything. Have you noticed those advertisements that come at just the right moment and seem to know exactly what you're looking for? If you answered yes to any of those questions, you are not alone. Stay calm. It's time to do a data detox. The Data Detox Kit guides you through simple steps that can help you take control of your digital life in ways that feel right to you. If you're short on time or don't like reading technical articles, then the Data Detox Kit is the perfect choice with short, clear, and concrete tips about digital security, digital privacy, and digital well-being that you can follow while you enjoy a cup of tea. Let's look at one of these tips together. Your social media apps, games, and weather apps are interested in your data, and they may be collecting quite a lot of it. Getting rid of those random apps on your phone that you never use can be a powerful way to control runaway data and detox your digital self. Plus, tidying up can also free up space on your phone, decrease data use, and increase battery life. This can even increase overall performance depending on the app. On Android, go to Settings, Apps, select the app you want to uninstall. On iPhone, press and hold on one app icon until a menu appears. Select the Delete App option from the list. Confirm deleting the app. Cleaning up your apps can make a significant difference in how much data you're putting out there. And that can affect how much companies may collect and use your data to make assumptions about you. For many apps, there's an alternative out there that performs a similar function but doesn't collect or sell your data to others. You can find recommendations in the Alternative App Center. If it feels overwhelming to replace the tools you use, just start with one or two. For starters, look at your browser. Can you replace it with Firefox, Chromium, or another more private service? Wow, your phone is so clean and organized, bravo! Now you can see how simple it is to start your data detox. Check out datadetoxkit.org for more tips and gems of wisdom.